Very good morning to one and all. I welcome back you once again to my YouTube video to discuss several issues or the geopolitical issues that have recently happened or how these issues are going to impact India. The first major issue is the AI Impact Summit which have recently concluded, and I will make a separate video for its conclusion. Another issue is the US President, that the US Supreme Court have reduced the Trump tariffs, and now the US President have maintained the tariffs of 15% on the worldwide imports into US, because US has already signed several trade deals with the UK, EU, Indonesia, Vietnam. So there are so many questions arrive that what will happen to these trade deals, and as the US President have maintained this 15% tariffs up to 150 days only, so what will happen after 150 days? And we all know that US has already reduced India's tariffs to 18%, but these tariffs have now again reduced to 15% because of US Supreme Court decision. So how will it impact the India's trade to US as well? So these several questions and answers will be coming in the upcoming days. I will share another video for you. Another geopolitical development is the Bangladesh election, and Mr. Tariq Rahman have assumed the power as a Bangladesh Prime Minister. So there are so many questions again, that how the Bangladesh and India relations will be going in upcoming years, how Bangladesh-China relations will be going in upcoming years, and how Bangladesh sees Pakistan, because these relations have also been increased in the past many months. So Bangladesh is a very important for India's point of view. We share largest border of India with Bangladesh, and especially the northeastern region, which is very sensitive region of our country. And Bangladesh was unstable in the past many years, because we all know there were several military coups. Khaleda Zia, who was in exile for many years, and his son Mr. Tariq Rahman assumed the power with a lot of majority. So there is completely uncertainty as of now, but India needs to look to betterment of these relations with Bangladesh, because it is also a part of India's Act East policy. And we also share a major trade relations with Bangladesh, especially in the garment section, which Bangladesh have stopped as of now. And recently development have also said that Bangladesh have also started looking to provide the visa services to Indians, because recently it has stopped for the non-essential developments or the non-essential visits. So this is another development. And the major development and the positive development which have recently happened is the bilateral meet of President Lula da Silva of Brazil with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This bilateral visit is also very important, because we are, as a part of the global south, are looking to reduce our dependency on China related to rare earth metals and minerals. And these rare earth minerals, both Brazil and China can look to each other to enhance their manufacturing and their developments. And both the countries have also signed a declaration that they will double their trade from 12 to $15 billion per year to $30 billion per year by the year 2030. That will be a major development, because as a part of global south, these countries are the major trading partners. And we do not want to face the Cold War like situations, because the similar situation is going on between US and China, because these countries are looking for the tech supremacy nowadays and are in a huge competition. And the same thing which happened in the Cold War, when whole world faced the implications of it. So these countries need to reduce the dependency on China, and as a part of the global south, we need to provide the better facilities to all the global south countries related to the cooperation in the climate change, related to the global solar alliance, and as well as related to the manufacturing of e-vehicles and rare earth minerals, and also for the human values use of artificial intelligence. So these are some major geopolitical development, and I will make separate videos on these developments in the upcoming days. Thank you.